a few points that I want to mention. And this is a message to the world that don't understand who Sayyid Ali Khamenei was. Wallah, my heart breaks when I say was. Because for us, it is very difficult to get over such a great person. He taught the world the principles of Ahlul Bayt against injustice. Today, Sunni have united. Shia have united. Muslims have united under the love of Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei. Sunni are crying for him. Muslims are crying for him. Shia are crying for him. The Western world thought by killing such a person, they would create division amongst the Muslims. But such a great person has united the Muslim Ummah. It was Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei that declared that the last Friday of the blessed month of Ramadan is known as Yawm al-Quds, remembering all those that are oppressed, remembering all those that are victims of injustices. A person who stood against injustices, a person who stood with those that were oppressed. How could he oppress someone? How could he himself do injustice? Wallah, our religion does not portray those people as great people who are munafiq. But our people, our qawm, our madhab, the followers of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad only claim to love those who show the true teachings of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. Allah, it was only him who stood against the biggest tyrant of our time, Israel. Wallah, I am sitting on the platform of Anjuman Ghulamane Aulad Zahra Salamullah Alayha, and on behalf of all the people, all the Momineen, all the Shia of Wakefield, I want to give a message to the West. Wallah, if you claim that Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei was a terrorist, or he was a killer of many as you claim, then what is your opinion in regards to the leader of Israel? Is he not a killer? Doesn't he deserve to die? Doesn't he deserve to be killed? Who has killed children in Palestine? Who has killed women in Palestine? Who has killed old people in Palestine? Daily he is torturing people. Daily he is bombing schools and hospitals. He is not a terrorist according to your agenda. Why is it that Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei is a terrorist? Because he stood against every power who oppressed people, and he spoke against injustices. Allah, that is our iman and that is our yaqeen. You can put sanctions upon us, you can block our social media platforms, but till we die, we will always say that the biggest terrorists of our time are those who are sitting in Israel. They are killing Muslims, they are killing non-Muslims. Anyone who dares to speak against them, he is silenced over social media. Why? We live in a free country. We live in the United Kingdom. We live in Great Britain. We have a right to raise our voices. We have never and we will never praise a terrorist. We will never stand with terrorism. We will never stand with those who promote terrorism. We will never stand with those who oppress people. We will never stand with those who do injustices. Because we have taken our teachings truly from Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam.
Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad salawat.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa Ali Muhammad. A simple message. Who has given the authority to those who claim to be Muslims, who claim to represent Islam, to represent all of the Muslims? Wallah, we, the followers of Ali ibn Abi Talib, we believe and we tell our children that ISIS does not represent Islam. Taliban does not represent Islam. Islam can be only represented through them who have the authority to represent Islam. Islam is wallah represented through Muhammad and Ali Muhammad. Islam is represented through the teachings of the Quran. Islam is represented through the things of Muhammad Mustafa. Islam is represented through the teachings of Ali Murtaza. Islam is represented through the teachings of Hassan Mujtaba. Islam is represented through the teachings of Fatima Zahra. Islam is represented through the teachings of Hussain, Shaheed Karbala. Take Islam from them. Don't take Islam from terrorists. Don't take Islam from ISIS. Don't take Islam from Taliban. But take Islam from those who represent Islam. Wallah, the world is confused because they are seeing that Islam which is being portrayed, which is not Islam. Allah, Islam is a religion of love. Islam is a religion of peace. Many believed in Ali ibn Abi Talib. Even in Medina, even the Christians and Jews loved Ali ibn Abi Talib. Many of the followers of Hussain ibn Ali were Christians, were Jews who converted to Islam by seeing the akhlaq of Hussain ibn Ali. Just a few points, we don't have enough time. Just so that our children know what is Islam, what is injustice, what is oppression. And these key principles are through the lives of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam. And I believe these were shown through the life of Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei. First thing, active resistance against all those who oppress people. You know, sometimes when we stay quiet when there is zulm and tragedies happening in the world, if we don't raise our voices, we are standing with those who are oppressing them. Ayatollah Sayyid Ali Khamenei showed the world how to speak against all those tyrants and all those people who do injustices. Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salatu wasalam says, the one acting unjustly, the helpers, and those who approve of it are all partners in that crime. If we stay quiet in regards to what is happening in Palestine, then we are standing with those people who are oppressing them. If we stay quiet to the atrocities that are happening against the Kashmiri Muslims, then we are accomplices in their crimes. Wallah, Imam Hussain has taught us to speak against injustices. The second thing, protection of all those who are oppressed. Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam have emphasized on the matter that anyone who is being oppressed, who is subject to atrocities, to support them and to stand by them. And then the third thing, consequences of supporting a tyrant. There are always consequences. Look at what Yazid has done. Yazid thought by killing one person, Hussain ibn Ali, I would finish Hussainiyat. Today, in every corner of the world, there is a lover and believer of Hussain ibn Ali. 72 on one side, thousands on the other side. But Hussain, did he leave Haqq? He said, Haqq is with Muhammad and Ali Muhammad. Haqq is with Allah and the Quran. Haqq is with my grandfather Muhammad Mustafa. Yazid tried everything. He thought by killing one Hussain, I would win. But by killing one Hussain, today all over the world, every single person claims to be Hussaini, a lover of Hussain ibn Ali. People think that they have killed the Rahbar. Rahbariyat is not the name of one person. The sooner you understand this, the sooner you will understand what is the blessed religion of Islam. Rahbariyat and Rahbar is not the name of one person. But Rahbariyat is the name of the thinking of Muhammad and Ale Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. Rahbariyat is the thinking of those that stand against injustices. Rahbariyat is to support all those people who are victims of terrorism attacks. Rahbariyat is to stand by those who are oppressed. No matter what their religion, if they are being oppressed and you are a follower of Hussain ibn Ali, it is wajib upon you to support all those people who are oppressed. The fourth thing, justice above personal ties. Justice above personal ties. Wallah, if my son is convicted of doing a crime against the religion of Muhammad and Ali Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, against law, wallah, I will stand with what is haqq, not with what my personal ties are. The fifth thing, moral courage that we have to stand against injustices. And finally, the life of Imam Hussain alayhi salatu wasalam is a beacon of hidayat for us. It is a light of guidance for us.